We came up with the one-kind block, the world's first modular, LEGO-like hydroponic unit designed to make cities fertile. Now, apartments aren't designed for urban farming, so we came up with the one-kind block to adapt to any apartment. And if you order early, we'll give you some Peranakan stickers to go with your one-kind block. We've calculated that a 2x1 meter wall can grow 60 plants, producing 10 kilograms of vegetables a month. That's enough to cover a family of two's vegetable needs for that month. Research by Singapore's NParks has also shown that farming helps with dementia, depression in the elderly. For adults, it helps them de-stress and promotes mindfulness. And for kids like me and my sister, it helps reconnect us to nature because it shows us where our food comes from. The virus has changed the way we're going to live. For those living in cities, it's shown us that we have to grow our own food. So please help me make cities fertile, because in growing our own food, we will all grow kinder too.